Oh, yep, it's probably so. Well, folks, enjoy the second half! I love this physicality. Until what moment of Jabril right off the draw. Instead of a canoe throw, it's going to be Workhaus throw. Look at that vice versa Uno reverse. And then there's Dan. Again, it's just the physicality. Big hit coming from Brashaw. Now this is going to get real now. Look out here. Good positioning by Justin. Oh boy! And now look out here, lads. Look out here. Ay. Not again. Nope. Okay, good defense there at the last second there. It might have been Brashar. It was Brashar. Clears it to downfield. Oh, there's a cookie from Dan. And then the captain, Dan. Dan Medias. And the captain, Dan, number 6. Oh, yeah. Oh, good hit by Amir. Big hit there by Amir. Oh, I went over the referee's head. Oh, not good. Oh, yeah, look out here. Big close again. What a hit there. No! Holy shit. And so much for what offensive measurements can be in terms of line and inches and feet and centimeters. Holy shit. Here we go again. Holy shish kebab. Oh, great, man. What a save, Sony! Oh, dang it! I'm sorry for Sony on that one. And now Canoe have taken a 2-1 lead early in the second. It's a next for me! And so off of a rebound in front, and Canoe have taken the 2-1 lead. Although what Sony's going to be thinking about this. Yeah, look out here, not again. Offside, no goal, no way. He kicked the ball, and Jabril's trying to explain something here. This is real now. Oh, my. Serby. Oh boy, and Serby's a little shaken. Oh boy. That did not look good for one of their best midfielders. But I guess he's getting up, which is a good thing. And then Dan Midas. Right back to Serby. Hey! Thanks, ref! Hey, again, the space! I've seen that before. And there's Kyle. Oh, again, he had a good look there for Valentino. Kyle. Crossover. There's so much chances with number 12. Oh, sideways Serby. And Amir. Oh, it's not working again. Oh, big hit coming there from Mike. Big hit there by Justin. And there's Mike. Oh, boy. Hey, look out, Jabril. Oh. And now look out here. Good hit there by Amir and Jabril. Valentino's got Serby. Serby, number 20. Serby right back to Dan. Number 37 keeps gliding on through the neutral zone. Backside. Oh, a good opportunity there for Kyle. Chances are there for Workhaus, and they couldn't bury it again. Good hit there, baby. Oh, and my goodness. As Amir was decked, and there's nothing called. Oh, and there's Dan. Hey, it looked like a foul there on Canoe. Finally. Lovely opportunity there, Gary, again. So much chances. Oh, yes, Rashard. Still it. There you go. Oh, my goodness. Rashard. Touching. Oh, again, Valentino. So much chances. Big hit coming there from Raheem. Drop! by Justin. That's some solid defending. Oh my gosh. Ay, 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 ay. Drop! Ay, 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 ay. Good, thanks, Mike. And then Valentino and Serby. And then right back to Raheem. Right back to Amir. Oh, less. But the timing, though.
Alexi, well done, man.
Settle, Justin. Oh, you actually, Serby, can we touch? Please, Serby, we can reach and touch it at the same time. And he does one thing. Wow, 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 what a hit by Serby. My goodness. Behind the line. Well, he walked there, at least I'll count it. Let's still work on the ball, thanks. And then right back to Bashar. Alright, all the good cards. You gotta think about shooting on the target. Serby. Oh, hey! Thanks, ref, and a yellow card coming up. Investing on a card.
Up it! Go left! Far post! Right shoulder!
And a chance to tie the game.
Right! Down there! Right back to go right shoulder!
Wow. Physicality right now. As always finds now. Kyle and Valentino with a chance to tie the game. And now what's this? There you go. Wide! Oh my! Valentino, right back to Raheem. Easy now, easy now. Remember, this is gonna be physical now. At a point where you know Workhaus will need to. And then Raheem, and Justin. And then Amir. Oh, hey! Oh, and now it's gonna get physical out here. I'm expecting because the ball hit Amir after the foul. And then Mike now, number 34. Right back to Valentino, 43. Hey! What? Big hit by Serby! Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. Look out here, lads. Look out here. Good hit by Justin. Wow! And then Amir comes to take over. And then Carl. Ah. Oh, yeah. Now look out here. Oh, yeah. Now look out here. It's out. Good. Right back to Carl. 35 in maroon. Big hit. Oh, my goodness. Again? Really? Justin. Wow. And I know I want to end my losing streak today, but you just got to be more competitive for me. You know, this is a very big challenge. Oh, yeah, no, look at it. Don't worry, and Jabril. Oh, yeah, easy. Oh, yeah, that was risky. But Valentino, almost for Serby. Oh, Serby, run. Yes, Serby. Oh, till nearly. Big hit by Valentino, physical. No, look out here. Wait. Jabril, right back to Carl. I'm going to expect a lot of physicality there. It's always a foul on Canoe. Good idea there from Carl. Big hit there by Bashar. Oh, come on. Canoe. Don't worry. And then there's Raheem. And then right back to Kyle. Hey! Thanks, ref. I'm using sitting mode, and what's this? And now Raheem, and no, actually it was Kyle now, and the Canoe player. And hey, I'm telling you something. It's gonna get physical between these two. I think cause Mike adjusted. Second chance opportunity. What? It is a foul on Matthias. Hey! Oh, man, what a hit there by Kyle. Swimming around, and this is gonna get physical. And then there's Mike. And then right back to Jabril. Wait, what's up? No! Okay, got clear there by Justin. Got clear there by Jabril and Matthias. No! No! Oh my god, risky. That was so risky. Look out here. Holy sheesh, kebab. No! Okay, good clearing. Good clearing there by Matthias. Oh, good clear. It looked like a foul there. And then there's Kyle. Oh, beautiful. Well done from Justin Valentino. Oh my god. More like 20. It's more like 20. Actually, like maybe 18, maybe. I'm not sure. Because remember, it's 40-minute halves. Oh no, he meant like if we play like 30 nearly. Probably so. Oh, yeah, look out here. Oh, yeah. No! 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 It's a corner. Oh!
Boys, look! Dead! Oh, don't worry.
Oh, let's have a consensual feeling about this. Holy shit. No! Now it's 3-1 for Canoe, and I'm looking on in disbelief, man. And it's a next for me! Holy shit, man. And now it's a 3-1 Canoe lead. And this does not look good onto the page of what Sony's been seeing so far in the second half. When teams do relax, I wonder, Dan, side netting again! It's gonna get physical here, like I said. Now that Canoe has a 3-1 lead, and although...
Good, Richard!
Yes, I'm here! Again, how? Thanks, Serby. Oh, wait, one of the Canoe players just stumbled onto his own man or was stumbled onto the grass. And then there is Jabril. Easy now, easy. Remember. Oh my goodness, man. By Jabril. Oh, yeah. Got it there. Oh, yeah. Okay, good clear. Oh, Jabril's down. Oh boy. You know that if Workhaus was need to get more healthier, it just couldn't get any healthier. And now you explain it for them, number 37. You know. Oh, Matthias, you got time. Easy. I'm trying to say here. And I'm trying to say Raheem. Serby. Please control it. Offside again. How? No! No! Okay, good clear on the last second. Hey, Rev! No! What a save, Sony! Huge save by the Workhaus #1 netminder. Maybe this can get Workhaus alive somehow. What a save, Sony again. Hey! Whoa! How in the world? Not even a foul on Canoe. Not again. Out! Oh my gosh, man. Nah. Oh my goodness, man. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay. Good hit there by Dan. And then Dan. Ay, ay, ay. No! Big hit! Hey, no! He's missed it. He's missed it. The wingers. Come on, Workhaus. Let's go. Big hit there by Cobb. Maybe this one. Oh, it's out again. How? Beautiful. And there is Mike. Offensively from a center back or left back. Crosses in front. Touched Serby. Maneuvers. Amir. Lays it back wide again. Off the foot of Matthias. Good hit there by Amir. Another one by Serby. All cause for Workhaus. It's all offensive time now for the Workhaus team. Like this will help. He's kicking the ball away now. What's another next step? Full credits to Raheem and Carl. And backside, look. Yes! Damn, Mias! And now it's a one-goal game! And there's going to be a lot more than that with the Canoe player afterwards. But damn, Mias, number 37, has made it a one-goal game. A huge goal for Workhaus. They're back in it. Dan has made a one-goal game. Huge goal for Workhaus. Hey. And then there's Dan.
That's ours. That's ours, surely.
What? What? How? How? Yeah. Oh, good hit there by Justin. Oh, yeah, lads, look out here. Holy shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, good hit there by Raheem. And now, Workhaus will need 2 at this rate. Save Sony. Oh, yeah, not again. No! Okay, good hit. And now there's Kyle. And a good block there by Matthias. Ay. And actually, that's good. Oh, Carl, please, Carl. A good touch. Lays one back. And then damn Mias. Backside control there. Valentino. Chances to shoot. Serby. Dan again. Oh my God, again. Ay. Ay. Oh, not good now, not good. Ay. Actually, that's good hit by Amir. Now to the last 4. Oh, yeah. Don't worry, and Sony will have to take care. Oh, this is not good. The referee's about to blow his whistle. Oh, I can't. And then there's Valentino. Quickly. Hey! What? What? Dang it! And Canoe have won it, and they're gonna be in first place in the standings. They will finish the season as the number 1 seed in the division. Workhaus will finish second. A disappointing loss for Workhaus. Unbelievable, man. And the Canoe boys again have won it 3-2. And for Workhaus, they have I cannot believe I cannot be saying this, but they're going to finish second place in the standings. Well, it's off to penalties now. This doesn't matter now. Workhaus will finish second. Thanks for tuning in, but we got some penalties coming up next, so stay tuned in a minute. It's the Super Cup right now in terms of the top two from this division. Even though, oh yeah, now look at you, oh shit. Oh, dang it! 1-0 Canoe on penalties. Although, like I said, it doesn't have to do with the regular season though. Oh yes! Bullseye! I thought the keeper was gonna save it, but not today. 1-1. Kyle. Kyle here. Holy shit, come up. Oh, dang it! 2-1 for Canoe now on penalties. And the next penalty kick taker, we shall find out. Valentino. Yes! Maybe this one will help. 2 penalties in the same game, and now it's 2-2. Wow, this is gonna get chilly right here. Well, lads, I have a consensual feeling about this third one. Holy shish kebab. What? Dang it! 3-2 now for Canoe on penalties. In comes Carl. Yeah, buries it. Oh my. I thought it was going to be out for a second. It hit the goalpost and then it went in 3-3. This is a wild one here. And now look out here, lads. Look out here. What? Dang it! 4-3 on penalties now for Canoe. In comes Justin on the 4th one for Workhaus. Buries it! 4-4 now. What a wild one. Man, I tell you, Sony needs one stop here. What? Dang it! And I don't blame Sony for that one. Now it's 5-4. And now it's all up to Dan Mias, number 37. It's all up to Dan Mias. What? Dang it! And officially, Canoe are in first place in the standings. They gotta finish first place. They win it 3-2 in the game, 5-4 on penalties. And what a fish. Hey, tough loss for my Workhaus team, I understand. But there's gonna be more for the playoffs. It's September 14th. But until then, thanks for tuning in for the Super Cup as well. And I'm out. Peace. It finishes 5-4 on penalties for Canoe and 3-2 win for Canoe in the game. And they will finish first place in the standings for Division 1. I'm out. Goodbye.